Well, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe. I am still in the hospital with Miss Lisa. I've been literally camped out here with her since we got here Thursday morning. But war on, war off, in the hospital, not in the hospital, the show must go on. What are we looking at for trading on Sunday, Monday, E-mini S&P? Look at this. It's looking good to me. I don't care if the war is on, the war is off. I trade OMNI signals. OMNI wants me to buy the dips in E-mini S&P, and that is what I will do for you, OMNIACs. We will buy the dips if we get a fill. This is coming at you on a Sunday afternoon for trading Sunday through Monday, video number 3102, and that's for trading Monday, July 13th, 2026. So we will be buyers of dips in E-mini S&P. It's only Sunday night for Monday. We'll start this week nice and easy and see where the markets end up. So I've got to be quiet, quick video. Just wanted to keep you on pace with what's going on technically. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com. Everybody, please say a prayer for Lisa. She's having a very difficult time recovering. It looks like it's going to be a slow, long recovery, but I'm here every moment with her, as well as with you, OMNIACs. As you know, no matter what goes on in my life, I bring you OMNIACs in with me. Thank you for everything you do. OMNIACs in the coin. Great job defending it while I have been in the hospital. I've been there helping you as well. If anyone comes in to sell that coin, OMNIPHOENIX, you guys come in. That a big part of the OMNIAC crowd. Come in and defend that coin. I will do the same, and we will just keep making new highs. It made new highs all weekend. Thank you all for everything that you do. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.